Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience with AI gadgets? Welcome to Tech AI. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI gadgets that are transforming our kitchens into smart, efficient, and incredibly convenient spaces. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who just loves to dabble in the kitchen, these AI gadgets are designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Let's explore how technology is revolutionizing the way we cook. Hi everyone, today we're going to look at some amazing AI gadgets that can turn your kitchen into a high-tech culinary haven. From smart ovens to AI-powered recipe apps, we've got a lot to cover. So let's get started. Smart ovens. First up, we have smart ovens. These aren't your grandma's ovens. These are intelligent appliances that can take your cooking to the next level. This is the June oven, one of the most popular smart ovens on the market. It uses artificial intelligence to recognize over 100 different types of food. Just pop your dish inside, and the oven will automatically set the cooking time and temperature for you. With built-in cameras and sensors, the June oven can identify what's inside and suggest the best way to cook it. Whether it's a pizza, a batch of cookies, or a roast chicken, this oven takes the guesswork out of cooking. The intuitive interface and user-friendly app allow you to control the oven from your smartphone, so you can monitor and adjust settings remotely. Imagine having perfectly cooked meals every time without having to constantly check on your food. That's the magic of AI. Plus, with regular software updates, the June oven continuously improves its performance, offering new features and recipes to keep your culinary adventures exciting and hassle-free. Smart refrigerators. Next on our list is the smart refrigerator. These fridges are more than just cold storage. They are your kitchen command center. This is the Samsung Family Hub. It comes with a large touchscreen that lets you manage your groceries, create shopping lists, and even see inside your fridge without opening the door. With internal cameras, you can check what's inside your fridge from your smartphone while you're at the grocery store. No more guessing if you need more milk or eggs. The convenience of this feature means fewer trips back to the store and less food waste. The Family Hub also suggests recipes based on the ingredients you have. It's like having a personal assistant in your kitchen. Additionally, it can connect with other smart devices in your home, allowing you to play music, watch cooking tutorials, or even leave digital notes for your family. This smart fridge truly enhances the kitchen experience, making it more interactive and efficient. AI-powered coffee machines. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. AI-powered coffee machines are here to make your morning routine smoother and more enjoyable. Meet the smarter coffee machine. It connects to your smartphone, allowing you to start brewing from your bed. You can customize your coffee to perfection, choosing the strength, grind size, and even schedule your brew time. The convenience of waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee without leaving your bed is unmatched. The machine learns your preferences over time, ensuring you get your perfect cup of coffee every morning. It's like having a barista right at home. Plus, the smarter coffee machine integrates with smart home systems, so you can use voice commands to start brewing, making it an indispensable gadget for any coffee enthusiast. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest in tech and health gadgets. Smart scales and nutrition trackers. If you're into healthy eating, smart scales and nutrition trackers are must-haves in your kitchen. This is the Drop Scale. It's a smart kitchen scale that connects to your phone and helps you measure ingredients with precision. It also guides you through recipes step by step, ensuring that even novice cooks can create gourmet quality meals. The Drop Scale adjusts recipes based on the ingredients you have, making it easy to create delicious meals without the need for complicated conversions. This adaptability means you can reduce food waste and make the most of what's in your pantry. Pair it with a nutrition tracking app like MyFitnessPal, and you can easily keep track of your daily intake. It's a great way to maintain a balanced diet and stay on top of your health goals. The combination of precise measurement and nutritional tracking supports your journey toward healthier eating habits, making meal preparation both fun and educational. AI recipe apps and voice assistants. Speaking of recipes, AI-powered recipe apps and voice assistants are game changers in the kitchen. With apps like Yumly, you can find personalized recipe recommendations based on your preferences and dietary restrictions. Just tell the app what you have in your pantry, and it will suggest delicious recipes you can make. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips, ready to help you whip up meals that suit your taste and nutritional needs. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant can read recipes aloud, set timers, and even control your smart appliances. Cooking has never been so hands-free and convenient. They can also provide step-by-step guidance, answer your cooking questions, and play your favorite music while you cook, making the entire process more enjoyable and efficient. Smart thermometers and Sous Vide devices. Precision cooking is made easy with smart thermometers and Sous Vide devices. This is the Meter Plus, a wireless smart meat thermometer. It connects to your phone and monitors the internal temperature of your food, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, this thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking meat to perfection. The app guides you through the cooking process and alerts you when your food is ready. No more overcooked steaks or undercooked chicken. It even provides estimated cooking times and rest periods, making meal planning effortless. And if you're into sous vide cooking, the Anova Precision Cooker is a fantastic tool. It uses AI to maintain the perfect temperature for hours, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. Sous vide cooking involves vacuum sealing food and immersing it in water heated to a precise temperature. This method ensures your food is cooked evenly and retains all its flavors and nutrients. Sous vide cooking is a game changer for anyone serious about cooking, offering unparalleled control and consistency. Smart dishwashers. After all that cooking, cleaning up can be a hassle. But not with smart dishwashers. This is the Bosch 800 series dishwasher. It features Home Connect, which allows you to control and monitor your dishwasher from your phone. You can start, stop, and even schedule cleaning cycles remotely. The dishwasher also uses sensors to detect the level of dirt and adjust the wash settings accordingly. With a smart dishwasher, you get perfectly clean dishes every time with minimal effort. It also notifies you when the cycle is complete and can even reorder detergent when supplies are low. It's the perfect way to end your cooking experience. We've explored a range of AI gadgets transforming our kitchens, from smart ovens and refrigerators to AI-powered coffee machines and sous vide devices. These devices offer personalized insights, track progress, and make it easier than ever to enjoy your cooking adventures. Embrace the future of cooking with AI technology and discover how easy and fun it can be to prepare delicious meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, tech.ai, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking with your smart kitchen gadgets. This video was brought to you by tech.ai. For more tips, reviews, and tech insights, stay tuned and keep exploring the wonders of AI in your everyday life.